Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, match all letters and numbers. Using character classes, you were able to search for all letters of the alphabet with a-z inside the square bracket. This kind of character class is common enough that there is shortcut for it, although it includes a few extra characters as well. The closest character class in JavaScript to match the alphabet is \w. This shortcut is equal to this means a-z in uppercase, a-z in lowercase, 0-9, and underscore. This character class matches upper and lowercase letters plus numbers. Note this character class also includes the underscore character. Here is an example. In this example, we see that test method is performed on longhand and shorthand, both regular expression, and pass the strings, and the result of these operations is same in both cases. These shortcut character classes are also known as shorthand character classes. Task for this challenge: use the shorthand character class \w to count the number of alphanumeric character in various codes and strings. So in this case, what we need to do is \w to check for the characters, and it should let's run the tests. Oh, I missed the global flag. So for repeated use, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.